Hello, second grade. Welcome to week 3 of module 9. Today's lesson is lesson 13, and it is a review of our high frequency words we've been working with this week. So let's look at these words and say them together. We have above, again, along, myself, once, peace, something, table, they, wanted. So today is something fun to do with these words. We are going to play something together. We are going to snap and clap out the words. Snap and clap. So our first word that we are going to look at, let's do number 5. Number 5, the word is once. So here's how we will do this. We will spell the word together. So we've said it once. Now let's spell it. O-N-C-E. We will snap our fingers when we say a vowel and clap our hands when we say a consonant. Ready? O-N-C-E. Okay, it's your turn. What was the word again? Once. Now we're going to do these words on our own. So I want you to choose a word, read the word, spell the word, snap out the vowels, clap out the consonants. You want to do another one together? Let's do table. Table. T-A-B-L-E. So we are going to remember, snap out the vowels, clap out the consonants. So we have T-A-B-L-E, table, T-A-B-L-E, table. Great job. Now do the rest of the words. Okay, let's do a little bit of blending together. You've learned how to blend syllables to say longer words. You also know that working with the sounds in words will help you become better readers and writers. So let's practice blending syllables to say words. Each tile on the screen stands for a syllable in the word. I will say a word in parts or syllables. You will blend the syllables together and say the word. Let's do one together. The syllables are taste, E. When I blend the syllables, I then say the word tasty. Taste, E, tasty. Let's do another one. Let's practice global. Globe, ol. So it's 2 syllables. Globe, ol. Globe, ol, global. What about the word pickle? Pick, ol, pickle. Again, 2 syllables. What about the word nickel? Nick, N-I-C-K, ol, E-L. Put it together, nickel. And one more, cancel. C-A-N, can, sol, C-E-L. Cancel. Let's try something a little more challenging. Look at all of the syllables in this word. We have 4 syllables, and your word is ceremony. Cer-e-mo-ni. Ceremony. Cer, C-E-R-E-E. Mo, M-O, ni, N-Y, ceremony. Let's try another one. Photograph. Or no, let's do photography because we need 4 syllables. Photography. P-H-O-T-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Photography. Photography. That's a hard one. All right, let's try some more. These have how many syllables? Our little boxes are our clues. 3 syllables. Scientist, scientist, scientist. And one more, evergreen, evergreen, evergreen. Okay, let's continue to work with the syllables and patterns we've learned so far, and we're going to look at the consonant, vowel, consonant syllables. So we have consonant, vowel, consonant. First, we'll look at this pattern. So look at the word picnic. This word has 2 syllables. 2 syllables. The first syllable has a CVC pattern. Pick, nick. So our first syllable is pick. We have consonant, vowel, consonant. Now let's look at our second syllable. Consonant, vowel, consonant. It has the CVC syllable pattern. And let's look at this one. We have CVCE. So this word has 2 syllables. The first syllable is in, and the second syllable has the CVCE pattern. So we have include, include, consonant, our L's are consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Include, include. Let's do one more. This is a fun word. Music. Music. Look at the word music. This word has 2 syllables. The first syllable has the CV pattern. The M is the consonant. The U is the vowel. Mu-zik. Music. Okay, look at the first word. What word do we have? Raisin. This word has the long A sound spelled AI. The second syllable has the closed CVC pattern. So listen as I blend the first syllable, R, A, I, and now the second syllable, S-I-N. Here we go. Raisin, raisin. When you blend the word together, it sounds like there's a Z in the word, raisin, but it's actually an S, S-I-N, raisin. So the A-I says A, and the S-I-N says zen, raisin. The second word also has the long A sound, but it is spelled A-Y. We've worked with these long A patterns before this year. So this word is also a compound word, and we have just finished up our compound word section. So what 2 words make up this word? Playhouse. Play and house. Playhouse. Now we have some vowel team syllables to look at that are a little different. The first one is season, season, and the EA makes the long E sound. So the second syllable has the CVC pattern, the consonant, vowel, consonant. So we have our EA that says E and our consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. Season, season. And if you look down below, we have toadstool. That's a funny word, toadstool. So it is a compound word, and if we divide it up, we have toad, T-O-A-D, and stool, S-T-O-O-L. And you put that word together, and it makes toadstool. Let's look at an R-controlled syllable. Remember, we can break the word between the 2 middle consonants. Look at the first word, garden. I can break the word into syllables between the 2 middle consonants. So we have garden. So 2 syllables. So if we broke it in half, it would go between the R and the D, right? Garden. Listen as I blend those again. Garden. Now let's look at the next word. What is our next word? Burger. Where would I separate this word if I divided it between the 2 syllables? Burger. If you said between the 2 consonants R and G, you are correct.